What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this addition and remodel job. We have been here for the past few days and got quite a bit done. The guys sided up on the front. This whole wall is sided up to the bottom of that window, which we talked about in the last video. Unfortunately, real quick. Unfortunately, the windows that we're missing are not ready yet, so we're still waiting on them. But the guys came up here and sided all the way to the top here, PVC around the windows, and we're just gonna have to tie it in on the side there once we get our front door in, which we do have, so we could do that next week. But we're missing that window, we're missing that window, and we're missing a couple windows in the back down there. So we still gotta wait. Let me peek out this window and show you where we're at over here. This whole metal roof got done and the siding is up to the top there. So we're making a lot of progress, but unfortunately it seems like the windows are going to be possibly another 3 to 4 weeks. So it's unfortunate, but there is still a lot inside we can get to, like insulation, sheetrock, stuff like that. This tub drain, we have to move it about 3 inches closer to the wall there. Basically what we're trying to accomplish here is to get the tub as tight to this wall as we can without affecting the baseboard heat at all that runs behind it. And we want it to be as close as possible to flush with this little jog in the wall here. So we're gonna slide, almost tripped on the box. We're gonna slide it as much as we can. We'll have to re-drill that hole. We'll change this piece of plywood and make a new hole, set it in there. But also we have to add one little stud. I didn't think about this the other day. Somewhere about right here, just so when you're looking at this little niche in the wall, it has the same size on both sides. So we got all that, plus the plumbers have to change the plumbing here because it was originally set up for a single vanity, but the homeowner switched it to a double vanity, so obviously you need separate water and a drain for each sink. The setup that they have is ordered and we have all the specs, so we're gonna have to do all of the plumbing and measurements off of the specs of that. But moving down to the basement, earlier I went and picked up 2 Lally columns here because down here, it's a little dark down here. Oh, they got lights on. All right, cool. Down here, we have a new footing poured there. We have to cut the plate out and cut the plate out. The Lally column will go right from the beam down to the floor. We have plates for them. And then over here, you can see where there's a new footing as well.
Se arranca este.
Y que cuenta que hacerle el tubo un poquito para acá ya.
Nice.
Ya quebró.
Nice. La condené de acá.
Para que se suelte, ¿verdad?
Sí. Pedazo. Acá el pie.
Nice, nice.
¿El otro tiene la medida o uno?
Let's check your measurement. Let's see if your measurement is good. Nice, Freddie. Nice. have the level right here. That should be pretty damn close, buddy. The top out. That's pretty damn good.
Good?
This side's good. That's good. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. Nice. Nice. Great. Oh, 1 second, 1 second. Come on, get off there. Right there, Freddie. Okay, let me put the level. 1 second, let me put the level. Right there. I'll hold the post.
You feel me? You ready?
Do it. Nice. Alright guys, so we got our 2 new Lally columns in exactly where they needed to be, dead level, supporting the house again. That one and this one here, right where we cut the plate out. So that is a nice check off our list. Let's go upstairs and show you around before we call it quits for the weekend. But we got all these arches in all the doorways. Even this is more or less a window looking out into the family room from the kitchen. That'll be cabinetry, countertop, and then a window. But they might get rid of the arch. They're not sure. They want to come over the weekend, the homeowners, and look at it. But all of them are in, so we are done with that. I showed you guys the siding up on the 2nd floor. That's all done, and this whole side is sided up to that window up there. So we're in pretty good shape. That is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.